Hello everyone, my name is Ravinder and today I'm going to present you a dashboard on business insights about the AtliQ company. AtliQ is a global hardware and consumer electronics company that sells laptop, desktop and networking product, also other technology devices across multiple countries and regions. As the company grows, it generates a huge amount of data across sales, finance, marketing and supply chain operations. So the purpose of this dashboard is to convert the raw data into meaningful insight that can support better decision making. Now let's understand the main objective of this dashboard. Our first objective is to analyze the company's overall financial performance. Here we study net sales, gross margin and net profit across multiple years by market and customers. Our second objective is to identify both top performing and low performing products across different regions. Next, we analyze the customer wise revenue and margin contribution. And our fourth objective is to examine the performance at the market and division level. Here we compare sales and profitability across various countries and regions. Now let me explain you the ETL process that I followed. All the datasets were provided by AtliQ through their internal structure database. Then I import the dataset into the Power Query. In the extract stage, I load fact and dimension tables such as sales, forecast customer, product, market, etc. here. In the transform stage, I clean the data by removing duplicates value, handling missing values, and correcting their data types. I also created additional table like fact actual estimate by combining fact forecast monthly and fact sale monthly here. I also created DEX measure like gross margin percentage, net error percentage, and net sales and market share and many more. Finally, in the load stage, all clean tables were loaded into the Excel data model in Power Pivot. This allowed me to build an interactive and integrated dashboard by using pivot tables, slicer, chart, and KPI cards. Now we have 5 type of view here: finance view, sales view, marketing view, supply chain, and executive view. So let's start with finance view. So the finance dashboard provide a complete profit and loss overview for the company. Here in the top we have 3 KPIs: net sales, gross margin percentage, and net profit percentage, with the last year comparison and percentage change. This helps us to quickly understand the overall financial health for the company. Then we have net sales performance over time. This line chart compare current year net sales with last year net sales month by month. It highlights revenue growth, dips, and seasonal pattern. Then we have regional sales distribution. In this table, we have net sales and gross margin percentage for APAC, EU, LATAM, and NA. As we can see in this table, APAC is the highest performing region here. After that, we have product segment performance. Here we can see accessories, desktop, network, notebook, and their contribution to their revenue and their margin. After that, we have profit and loss statement table. In this table, we have profit and loss value like gross sales, pre-invoice deduction, net invoice, total COGS, gross margin, net profit percentage. I also provide abbreviation of all like LY used for last year, CSG used for change, GM for gross margin, etc. After that, let's see the sales dashboard. So the sales dashboard helps us to understand the customer and product profitability. First we have customer wise sales table. This table lists all the customers along with their net sales, gross margin and gross margin percentage. Top customer include Amazon, AtliQ Exclusive and AtliQ eStore. After that we have net sales and gross margin by region. This chart shows how each region performs. Bar represent net sales and line represent gross margin percentage. As we can see, APAC has the highest revenue and while NA has the strong margin here. Then we have unit economics by using the donut chart. The donut chart explains how revenue gets converted into margin. We can clearly see the impact of deduction, cost of goods and gross margin here. Then we have marketing view. So the marketing dashboard focus on the market level profitability. Here we have marketing wise financial table. Each market shows net sales, gross margin percentage, net profit and net profit percentage. countries like India, Canada, and Germany as the major contributor here. After that, we have division level comparison. A combo chart compare net sales and gross margin across NAS, P&A, and PC division. The P&A here we can see perform strongly with good margin here. After that, we have unit economics. A cost breakdown is shown using donut and bar chart here by highlighting COGS, gross margin, and operational expenses. After that, we have supply chain dashboard. In the supply chain dashboard, it monitors demand planning and forecasting here. First, we have forecast accuracy KPIs. It shows forecast accuracy percentage, net error percentage, and absolute error percentage. This helps us to measure the how close forecasts are with the actual sales. After that, we have monthly accuracy with net error trends. This line and bar chart shows how forecast accuracy and error fluctuates every month. Then we have customer level supply chain metrics here. Each customer is evaluated for forecast accuracy percentage, net error, and inventory risk. We have excess and out of stock, two type of category here. In the last, we have category level forecasting. This table shows breakdown forecast accuracy and error by product category to understand volatility. Now let's see the executive view. Executive view is a summary dashboard showing the complete business health here. At the top level, we have 3 KPIs: net sales, net profit percentage, and forecast accuracy percentage. Then we have revenue and profitability trend. In this chart, we display the long-term movement of net sales, gross margin percentage, net profit percentage, and AtliQ market share percentage. Then we have PC market share trend. This visual compare AtliQ with competitor over years. Here we can see in 2022, AtliQ have only 5.87% share. Then we have subzone performance. In this section, we shows the net sales, revenue contribution, gross margin percentage, net profit percentage, net error, and AtliQ market share by using this subzone. After that, in last, we have top 5 customer by revenue and top 5 products by revenue. As we can see, our most 5 customer by revenue is AtliQ Exclusive, Amazon, AtliQ Store, eBay, and Flipkart. And 5 products are AQB Compact, AQBG Gen Y, AQ Lite, Y Power, and Y Power DX2 here. And in conclude to this, the AtliQ Business Insight 360 dashboard provide a complete analytic ecosystem that supports strategic decision making. It simplifies financial evaluation, enable market and sales insights, optimize supply chains planning, and present a unified executive level view of organization. This dashboard can be extended in the future with the real-time data integration by predictive analytics and automatic reporting. Thank you.